Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make a withdrawal from Deriv. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. Log in to your Deriv account and select the cashier option. For security reasons, Deriv will send an email to your main email inbox to confirm the withdrawal request. Select the send email option. Once you receive the email in your inbox, click on the option Yes, it's me. Enter the amount of money to withdraw and select AirTM as the payment method. Verify the information to confirm the withdrawal request and click on Request Payout. This screen also indicates the fee and the appropriate time to make the withdrawal effective. After the balance is available in your AirTM account, log in to your account. Click on the Withdraw button and select the payment method where you wish to receive your money. Once you have selected the payment method, indicate the amount in local currency or USDC, whichever you wish to receive, and click on Continue. Add your bank information and click on Submit Request. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.